Hi, Serena. We are here. Special guest. And the special guest, but he's hiding again. He's right there. And yeah, we have good news. I'm going to show you how to make toothpaste slime. It works, but you have to have a container for it. Okay? Yeah. And you need some toothpaste and glue. I use like a gel glue one, and I'm going to use 2 types because it helps this one more better. So yeah, and that is the other special guest called Andy, and he's right there. The troublemaker. Yeah. And we're gonna use we're gonna use this one to help it. And Andy, if you ruin this video, you're gonna die forever. Sorry. You have to add some of it in. Just add some.
You forgot you already get
and blue and purple mix. I just gave it away. Blue and pink mix purple. Okay. You got this, and then you have to like mix it later. Then you have to mix it. You see this color? It's so pretty.
And she's making toothpaste slime.
Yeah, I just told him that.
Nice.
Oh!
It smells really cool too. It don't smell very good to me. Oh.
It smells not that bad actually.
I think my nose broke.
Look at the purple. It's so pretty.
Not to me. Okay.
Sophie.
It is to me.
Stop it, Andy.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Look at this color. Okay, then you're going to have to add either white or clear glue or glittery glue. Any type.
And here's Dolly Bunny.
Andy, Dolly.
Yeah, really.
I already know where it is.
Hello.
You have to add some of it. I want to mix it at a time. What up? Look, Andy.
Sorry.
You have to add like a little bit that much.
Ooh, glue?
Look, it's starting to form. I want to eat it. It's like starting to form right now, see?
Oh, it starts so bad.
Yeah. Yeah, it is smelly. But I still want to eat it.
Oh.
It's like turning into like slime already. If it does this, you know, it will like become slime. Why is the door locked?
Sorry.
Andy.
I got this. The
Get
trouble
the
we
key.
got about to go first.
Keep mixing it. Okay, so I'm gonna add more glue and you mix it. Okay.
Oh, it might fall.
It's okay.
It will.
It won't. Okay, mix it time. Judges!
I am the judge of 555. I am the judge of 555.
Okay, you're doing good mixing it, but you have to show it like this.
I'll eat it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, slime.
It's turning into slime.
Yeah, I know.
Really, Sophie?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Now she's the troublemaker. I'm
Sorry.
like control.
It's like when you touch it, it skips to it and then it stops like a slime would. But
I'm gonna control her to unblock the video.
Andy, if you do that again, I'm gonna kill you.
Control! Control! Control!
You see that? You're gonna have to add even more glue then if it's not working.
I bet it didn't work.
It will because I tried it yesterday. Come on, it's
It's not
farting.
like fart.
It was like farting.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add it. Stop! I didn't tell you to mix. I'm gonna add about like a little bit more than that, but Sophie makes it, so that's why I said about it. You're gonna have to mix it. It's like turning into slime even better. If you guys like blue,
I got my
subscribe and like this video. Yeah, we do.
What? I like blue? No, I
like
just
blue.
no, just kidding.
And also for the girls to be like,
I only like purple and black.
I like red. I like purple, black, red, blue, pink. We'll see pink.
And mostly you touch my underwear.
Really, Andy?
Yeah, I got to do that.
He told you so. He said it was gonna fall, and then it fell.
Don't you my foot off? Ow! She broke my foot. A saw pit.
That was just maybe. Then you're gonna have to add some more if it's not working again.
Yay! A slime's not bad, like paint.
It's like I added this much.
No more cookies left! Is there?
Nope, I don't think so. But we do have chocolate milk. And I hate chocolate milk.
Okay, we do. Okay, oh, wait. Leave us in the comments if you hate chocolate milk. And like regular milk.
If it's like really watery, your toothpaste, add more toothpaste. I'm adding this one because it's better. Yeah.
I can draw more. I think it's sick.
Wow.
Oh.
Good what? Okay.
I'm good.
This is how much I added. Like this container's getting heavier. At least I'm strong. I'm liking the streaks now.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting sick. I want my eye.
It's like making it better since it's not water anymore. It's not water anymore. It's like
I was getting sick. That died.
it's not like it took some of it off.
Oh, Natalie, where's the other slime? Your first slime you can play with? I need one of those.
Kelly dried it out. I don't have a slime collection now because my baby sister keeps drying out my slime. Like whenever I come home, she's like always messing with my stuff. I hate that. Yeah, and that happened today. She was hitting me. What was that? My grandpa? Not that. The rain? No. Look, it's like slime. Like it got to my hand and now it's like slime. I got it on here on accident, but while you're done, by the way, you have to keep kneading it. There. Why do I keep saying wrong?
You say name you.
I'm gonna add more of the toothpaste, just because. I'm gonna show you what slime, how to make slime a fail or something if it works.
This tastes so yummy!
Sponsor me. And then you have to keep mixing and adding more toothpaste because it isn't working that well yet. It's like getting harder to mix with this paintbrush. Look at this. And bigger because I added more toothpaste.
Oh.
It's like getting more slimier too. And that's very good. You just have to keep mixing and mixing and mixing. Or you can add a little bit more toothpaste like I'm going to do right now again. So let's do that, I guess. Sam, it's like both of them are jelly toothpaste that I got. I think both were the best, I guess. I don't know. This one is Crest. I think the other one is COVID. Oops. Thank you. Sophie, you're kind of watching me.
No, I'm not. See?
You were. It's like getting even more harder to mix since I added even more toothpaste.
Okay, now,
I trust that. Okay,
now send a text and you like, okay, send a text and you like
Nothing.
Shadow Paladin.
Almost
And
nothing.
send it,
Yeah.
send
They don't. Oh yeah, if you guys don't know what Vanguard is, it's like you use cards and stuff to battle. Even there's a tournament, and some of the cards are like $20. You can sell them online. They're online. You can buy them. It's awesome.
That's where me and Allie and Andy got our.
I got the Bermuda Triangles, Shadow Paladin, Bermuda Triangles, Bermuda Triangles. Awesome.
Send them a text that you hate Bermuda Triangles.
Send us a ticket.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
If you hate Shadow Paladin.
And send them a text that you like.
Oh yeah, forgot. Shadow Paladins is all boy. Bermuda, all girls. And Bermuda is mermaid.
Oh, no, Shadow Paladin is some girls.
Yeah, there's only little. But you guys can choose whatever kind you want. There's like a lot of kinds than just 2. I'm not gonna kill it.
Sorry, I'm looking at that.
Okay. This finger has nothing.
And send us a text if you
I'm
want
gonna
a
touch
Bermuda Trick or a Shadow Paladin.
Just a little bit on the side.
Or anything you want, like.
Andy?
But nobody's watching this video right now.
I know. Because it's not on right now. No, duh.
No, if we send it, if we post it, nobody will still watch it.
Oh well.
I
will. Yeah, I know.
Me too.
I'm not getting my hands dirty because of this.
I always watch
And
my
it's just a
own
little
videos.
bit more toothpaste.
Let me get this. Oh, why so cold?
Oh well. This is like getting really harder to mix.
Oh.
And it's like not sticking on the slides that much.
It's
it's
getting
like
big.
and if it's doing that, you have to keep mixing it. Don't add any more toothpaste yet until like you see like it's even sticking even more. Just look, I'm gonna poke it.
We make so many slime videos.
No, I'm poking it and it's like making.
We didn't even make a Vanguard video,
Can you stop that? Andy?
Oh, yeah. And one time,
I'm gonna take you out of the video.
Wait, we did make a Vanguard video.
Not yet.
I have to share my, dorky Vanguards.
Yeah. But that video's gone now. It's gone. Oh yeah, there's a punk like Dr. Regular. Yeah, literally, that video's gone. It's still on YouTube. I don't have that account anymore. The reason why this is the reason why I make horrible videos. Because of
And then...
look at this. It's like instant slime right now. Look. See? It's like sticking cute.
What's going on now?
Then you like you have to keep mixing it if you want to. No. My bracelet.
Say thank you.
Oh thanks. It's like oh thanks.
Now, bye you guys. Me and Sophie have to go home. No?
And yeah, I'll just take some of that, I guess. And then you have to like keep kneading it when you're done.
You guys go home.
So
Good.
yeah. This is the final product. Yes. So yeah. Bye guys, that was the toothpaste slime video with Andy and Sophie.
And what do we
Super Girly Gamer on YouTube.
And look, Larry on.